Hey, Jolly, a lot of people were asking, what does the contractor portal do? How can you do remote pickup? So I'm going to give you a simple overview of how that works on the back end of our software. So we're in the order view right now, and what you could do from here is easily assign it to a contractor. This is a test order. It's a 13 Pro Max. I'm going to show you how this looks for you, or your virtual assistant is doing this for you. Once you go to the order, you could be in New York, and the order could be in Chicago, and you could assign it to your contractor to do a remote pickup for you in Chicago and forward all those details for the contractor so they can know what they're getting into. So let's go ahead and assign it to the contractor right now. That's going to be Bob the Builder. That's who we're using right now. He gets work done. We assign it, and boom, now the contractor has the job. So let's go get the inside view of how that will look for him. He's gonna see this. He could add media, so you could add media for them to see how the phone should look. The IMEI is gonna be there as well, and then you can also check the device. So you give them a checklist of what to do. It will show. They could run through soft tests for you. That way, you're getting the same quality phone. You're doing the same type of QC for each phone all over the country, all over the city, whatever you're doing. So you have consistency, and that's how things are scaled with systems, right? And we're giving those systems to you and making it easy for you to scale. And let's say they have an extra phone that they want to add, they could go through the website, or they could add the item right through here, right, and get a quick quote. And they could go through that quote process, right again. Let's just say broken for now. And if you don't want your contractors to add orders, you just want them to pick up the orders that you sent to them, all that is changeable on the permissions. I can show you how to do that later, but this is just a quick overview of how the contractor portal works. It's easy to use. We can show you a more in-depth view, how you can scale this out, how you can get phones remotely when you get the software. We have more in-depth tutorials. So I just want to give you that short overview so you can see how you can scale easily. I'm pretty sure you got some ideas, and we're open to hear them at Re-Up Nation. So join the team. Let's scale, let's grow, and let's recycle.